In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change background color of your videos in KineMaster. So if you want to change the background color or the side color, as you can see, I have this, I'm talking of this side color that is black. If you want to give it a nice, maybe a different color that is appealing, let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Okay, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the timeline. And once you tap on the timeline, you'll see this pop-up window. Now go ahead and scroll down until you see this option called background. If you go ahead and select the background, you can see the current background is currently black. If you want to change it, just go ahead and tap on that black, and then it will give you 3 ways you can change your color, either through grid, spectrum, or slider. So I like to go ahead and select spectrum, and you can choose from this. So for this, you go ahead and choose the color that you so wish. For instance, I want to choose a color from here. I can select any from this, and you can also adjust the intensity by just tapping on this wheel here. So go ahead and choose the color that you so wish. For instance, let me say I want to go with this. I'm okay with that, and then go ahead and tap on this tick, and the color will be changed. And as you can see, our background color or side color for this video has changed. Now, if you go ahead and play your video, you will find the color attached from the beginning to the end as you wish. So that's how you can change the side or background color in KineMaster. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.